"6:15 in the morning, Earl, Arkansas, at TA. Spent the night. Nice and relaxed. Got plenty of sleep. Texarkana. We're just about to cross the border into Texas from Arkansas. Getting on 59, US 59 south towards Houston. This is how you piss off a truck driver. The guy in the blue truck is not parking in a parking spot. If you look back here, all these lines back here are for cars or for bobtails. This knucklehead right here couldn't even park straight next to this other idiot. I mean, just no sense whatsoever. No courtesy, no civility, no decency, just selfish. Lyons Trucking Company. Apparently out of Michigan. Truck 531. You can see the line on the ground. Right there. See lines? Right there. A zone for no parking. Right there. 1. 2 empty parking spots that he would have had to actually learn how to drive the truck to put it in. But no, here I am in a parking spot. Here this knucklehead is, blocking me in and preventing 2 other people from parking their vehicles in a parking spot. This is the part of trucking that I don't like. Alrighty, first thing in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning. Go down here to New Caney. Get some fuel in the truck. And then we're gonna get ourselves down into Houston for our delivery this morning. So we got a cloudy morning, probably a little bit of rain. It's gonna be a blah kind of day. In here to New Caney, Texas. Hop into the pilot, Flying J, grab a little bit of fuel. Then we only got another 40 miles to go before we get to our delivery for the day. So I'm going to try to be a little bit early. See if we can't get a reload as soon as possible. See if we can't head away from the Gulf of Mexico. So we get away from this potential hurricane down in the southern part of the Gulf. So we have to deal with the wind and the rain.
For 1 mile, turn right on TX 242 and then, approaching destination on the left side, in 530 feet.
Speed behind there, Rand McNally.
In 1,000 feet, turn right on TX 242 and then, approaching destination on the left side, in 530 feet.
Yeah, this damn Stevens, idiot.
You have arrived at your destination, on the left side, Flying J Travel Plaza number 734. Proceed to the highlighted route.
Alrighty. Get some fuel. Then we're gonna move on. Alright, we got our pavers all taken off. Took a little longer than maybe it should have, because they could have gone a little faster, but it's done with. It's just a little after 12 o'clock noon. So we're heading up here to a truck stop to park. So and we're going to head up where we have, we can get ourselves, dust it off a little bit, get a little, maybe some ice for a nice cool drink. Because Houston today is about 87, 88 degrees. A little bit of humidity, so it feels like 100. Other than that, it's going good.